sa akin pinaka-memorable talaga ever was the airport. Yung naging teaser trailer namin dahil doon ako first na nag-surrender kay Hiro papunta kay Yana. Na parang sabi ko, sige na, hindi na ako si Jerome, kay Hiro na ako na talaga doon tuluyan na. Out of nowhere, just a snap, nag-taping lang ako, may anak na pala ako eh. So, yeah, yun yung isa sa una naming tinaping. Just so you know guys, doon ko, actually, first time namin ni Christian na nag-work din, hindi ako nag-submit in a way na as team up kami. Nag-internalize ako mag-isa, pero doon ko natutunan na kailangan as dalawa na kami. And nagawa nung series for me, I guess siguro pinabata ulit ako. I mean, di ba, from Road Killers, akala ko iba't ibang role na magagawa ko. But then, inopen sa akin yung university series at inopen yung world where I still can do this kind of roles. And I can be, what, a dad, whatsoever, yeah.
Sa akin yung favorite scene ko, yung nagising ako sa kwarto ni Hiro. Super, I love that scene. Sobrang nalaro siya. Like, yun po yung isa sa mga first days natin, diba?
First scenes, yeah.
First scene natin, diba? Yeah, I really love doing that scene. It was so fun.
Lahat yun, pati yung sa kumot eh.
Yeah. I love it.
For me siguro yung dinedicate ko yung game sa kanya nung I was playing basketball. This has always been my dream to be a player and dedicating it for her and then nanalo. And also yung natalo ko sa finals and she was there for me. That's one of my favorite scenes because I felt like, you know, I was truly a player kasi we did it sa Phil Oil. But also, the 5th anniversary and yung nag-break kami because that was back-to-back scenes. So, we closed up wide. That was like 4 or 6 straight crying scenes na kailangan namin gawin. And we were there for each other. We supported each other. So, that was, I was really proud of us that time.
For me, I have 2 scenes coming up in my head. Yung first one, all of the Tapsilok scenes, when Sevi would introduce that world to Elise, and it was really fun to just eat on set. I love eating on set, so that was really fun. The second one, for some reason, I really love the scene when Sevi and Elise are slow dancing in their new apartment. And then I always hear Paksa by Kristen. I don't know, for me, it's such a vulnerable scene. Nothing's really being said, but you can really sense and feel without words how much they truly love each other and how intimate they really are in their relationship is.
Ako po sa Jason, yung Spain scene po siguro. Yung mga nangyari sa Spain kasi sobrang memorable kasi yun yung pinakauna kong out of the country na shoot. And then, ayun, lalo na yung concert scene din. Kasi that time parang alam mo, I'm imagining myself muna na parang I'm having my own concert. So, as a musician, sobrang laking bagay sa akin yung scene na yun. Very memorable. At yung mismong, sa amin, mga eksena po namin ni Bea, yung mga konting tinginan sa stage, ganun, sobrang iconic siya as a intro or simula ng Jason.
Ako po ang isa sa pinaka-paborito kong eksena, yung katulad ng sinabi ni Wilbert, that was the first scene na napanood po ng viewers sa episode 1. Wala kaming linya, kumakanta lang siya, nagtinginan lang kami. But that scene is something that I'm really very proud of. Pero, actually, ang hirap po mamili ng isang eksena. So, if I were to answer po your question, I would say the whole golden era. Because the project proud of. I take pride dun po sa series na yon, sa performance namin, sa kinalabasan, sa napanood ng mga viewers, at higit sa lahat, sa pagmamahal na nakuha po namin galing sa mga fans. I'm really, really very proud. Dahil yun, kumbaga, that was the start of something really golden na hanggang ngayon, tapos man tayo sa era na yon, they're still here, they're still there with us, and we really hope that we doesn't stop here, and I'm really very looking forward for more. So, yun, ang paborito ko po, Golden Era, the memories po, lahat ng mga ginawa naming eksena, yung lahat ng mga moments namin with the people that made the project with us off camera, Direk Victor, Steven, our DOP, the whole team, sila Ate Lay, everyone around, everyone that worked on it, for me, sobrang iti-treasure ko po kasi working with them is such a breeze, and it's really a pleasure and an honor working with them doing the show. Ayun po. Thank you po.
Alright, thank you. Does anybody have anything to add? Yeah?
I don't know, I'll be honest. For me, my favorite scene was the Alpi Jancho scene. No, I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding, I'm playing. Alright, everybody was a joke. Okay. No, siguro yung paborito kong scene, hindi talaga siya yung eksena, pero meanwhile and afterwards, dun sa presyong asawa, ibibigay ko yung land kung magpapakasal ka sa amin. Ganun. Pero hindi dun dahil sa eksena na yun, kung hindi dahil sa tawanan namin, like we're laughing in the meanwhile of the scene, and we had to keep cutting kasi we just kept laughing, and it was such a really good moment. That's it.
Ako yung buong The Rain. Especially yung iconic line na Luis, Natasha, Valero, I think I'm going na. Parang gano'n. So, for me, sobrang parang engraved na siya sa puso ko. And at the same time, wala, every time I work with Marco naman, hindi nawawala yung pagiging, namin, makulit at magkaibigan.
Ako, marami akong memorable favorite scenes sa Avenues of the Diamond. Pero kung papipiliin ako, maybe it's the Singapore na eksena. Because it's my first time there. It's my first time to go out of the country and work pa. I really enjoyed my stay there because super fun lang tong mga eksena. And we also had a free day kami nila. Tapos inikot lang namin yung Singapore. Yung mga kaya namin ikutin. So yun.
For me, two scenes come into mind. Yung first scene na sobrang memorable sa akin was so the first scene that comes to mind is when we were rushing to para magkakami as we were sleeping right next to each other. It was with Miss Claudine and Sir Bobby Andrews. Parang isa po yun sa mga scenes na nagpa-360 ng mga viewers sa AOTD kasi I mean, not gonna lie, nung na-reveal ako, as in, kakaibang comments yung natanggap ko online, and like, parang yun yung ng viewers, anong tawag doon? Yeah, yung parang kinagat nila yung series namin because of that scene, and thank you Direk Gino kasi nasa utak lahat yung Direk Gino that was like more on improv. And yung pangalawa po na memorable scene ko in AOTD was yung car scene po namin ni Aubrey. Kasi, turn around. Yun pa yung car scene namin kasi kahit sobrang intimate niya tignan, pero kasi nung nasa loob kami ng kotse, tawa kami ng tawa kasi hindi po kami kasya sa kotse. And like it took around 3 to 4 hours ata direct because I don't know, hindi namin makuha yung shots kasi hindi nga kami kasya. There was one time na nakahiga ako sa kotse tapos yung cameraman yung nakaganon sa akin. So para yung cameraman yung kano ko. May mga ganong instances. So, ayun po, two scenes po yun.
Ako, I would say, right now, nagugustuhan na favorite ko lahat ng scenes namin. Because for me, lahat ng ginagawa namin, sobrang lahat, parang importante. Especially yung mga ginawa namin kagabi. even on the last minute of the day, last minute of the taping, sobrang importante yung ginawa namin. But feeling ko yung pinaka-memorable sa akin is yung bingsu. Yung eksena after the bingsu. That scene, yung basta alam niyo na yun, guys. Kasi it was my first ever love scene in my entire career. So I was just so happy na I did it like with Direct Gino and Nicole doing so much pumped up. Comfy kami, everybody, and he was there all throughout to guide us and just be there for us. So feeling ko yun yung pinaka-memorable sa akin.
Yun talaga. There's a lot. I think I can't also say right away kung ano favorite because we're still rolling. I think marami pa kaming gagawin na baka maging mas favorite ko. But at the top of my head, there's a scene that is very close to my heart and it's both pain and both happiness. We actually shot it twice. Was when nakita kami ulit ni Sean nung umiiyak ako sa restaurant. So because we shot it twice for the teaser, then we also shot it again for the show. And siguro it's very special to me kasi doon nagsimula ulit lahat eh. Doon nagsimula yung kwento mula nung nakita kami ulit. And it's both painful because alam ko yung mangyayari, pero gusto mo rin siya simulan kasi ang ganda din ng kwento. So siguro po yun yung favorite ko po at the moment. Yes.
Congratulations. Ako favorite ko yung lahat ng mga love scenes kasi guay, ang daming love scenes ng mga books mo. Napakahirap. But, you know, all of these are actors. They're all actors. They did really well. So,
Direk, every book na nagawa mo, Direk. Anong favorite scene mo, Direk?
ako, siguro my favorite shot. Favorite shot was from SSA. Nag-shoot kami sa waterfalls. Kasi totoo yung waterfalls, hindi green screen or AI. You really had to go down and shoot it. And imagine yung camera, yung crew, everyone got wet. But at the end of the day, it was worth it. So yun yung favorite shot ko.
All right, thank you, Francis. What about you? Do you have a favorite scene? To close the Q&A.
Hindi pa namin nauunan. Hindi pa. Namin nauunan. But that scene has been in my